In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a signature field on DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your PDF, switch into the right editing mode, choose the correct tool, and place a clean professional signature box in the perfect spot. Start by opening your PDF. Head to DocHub.com in your web browser, then upload the document you want to edit or open one you already have in your account. You can drag and drop a file from your computer or select it from your connected storage. Give the document a moment to load so all the pages render clearly before you continue. Next, enable Form Editing mode. Look at the top toolbar and click either Fields or Prepare Form, depending on what you see. These options do the same thing. They unlock DocHub's interactive form tools so you can add input fields to the page. When this mode is on, you'll notice new options for form elements, and your cursor will be ready to place fields anywhere on the document. If you don't see these buttons right away, expand the toolbar or maximize your browser window to reveal hidden icons. Now select the Signature Field tool. In the field options, look for something labeled Signature Field. Sometimes it appears as Sign Here or Digital Signature, and it may have a pen or signature style icon. This tool creates a placeholder where someone can add their signature later, so it's ideal when you're preparing a form for others to complete. Finally, place the signature field. Click once on the page wherever you want the signature to go. A box will appear showing the boundaries of the field. You can move it by dragging the box, and you can resize it by pulling on any corner. For a clean look, position it near the label that reads Signature or Authorized Signatory, and line it up with any visible signature line. If the line is very short, make your field just a bit longer so there's room for a clear signature without overlapping surrounding text. Zoom in if needed to fine-tune placement, and use the page margins or nearby text as visual guides to keep everything aligned. If you accidentally drop the field in the wrong place, simply drag it to adjust, or press undo and click again. That's all it takes. Open your PDF, enable form editing, choose the signature field tool, and place it precisely where it belongs. With this setup, your document is ready for a clean, professional signature every time.